Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix you do not have permission to use this command error in Hytale game. So if you're getting this error, you do not have permission to use this command in Hytale game, then here follow the fixes. First of all, launch the Hytale game through Hytale launcher and enter the creative world. Now once you are in the creative world, press this / button on your keyboard. This will open the small chat box command. Here you have to type op self and then hit enter. And you will say you are now OP. And then you can use any cheats and command and you will able to fix this problem. If still your problem is not solved, then close the Hytale game first of all and then just restart your PC. And then after restarting your PC, launch the Hytale game and then check if your problem is solved or not. So by following this fix, you can easily solve. You do not have permission to use this command error in Hytale game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.